Oh. What are you doing, little Seymour? You were just having your head up and you just turned around. Look at those big ears on you. They're almost as big as your head. You're such a silly little boy, Seymour. You're very cute. You're so cute. You're adorable. Hear that purr? You're purring up a storm. You're a very cute little boy. Very little is the key word. Look how little he is. He's just a little baby. A little baby. My little baby. What a cute little baby you are. We'll see you later, little Seymour.